Do you want to create consistent AI character images or videos? Then this video is for you. Social media influencers like Aitana Lopez earn thousands of dollars per post, but they're not real. They are AI generated, yet they get brand deals and sponsorships. The biggest problem most people face? Character inconsistency. But I've discovered the secret these virtual influencers use. If you want to build your own AI influencer and grow a real following, follow the exact steps in this video. Step 1. Sign up and access SwapFans. You can find the link in the description below. Click on it. On first sign up, you get $16 free credit. This is the SwapFans dashboard. Now look at the top menu and click on Services. From there, you'll see AI Influencer. Go ahead and click that. Now, there are two main ways we can create an AI influencer. I want to generate a training because I'm referencing a real human to create an AI-based character. Let's name the character Anna Moore. Step 2. Upload a face and build your character. First, we need a beautiful face for our Instagram model. For that, I'll use Google and search something like blonde girl portrait looking straight. Pick a good image, download it, then go to Swap Face and upload it. Alright, our AI model is ready. Let's jump into content creation. Step 3. Generate stunning AI. Let's explore 4 methods each, offers different vibes and results. First one's easy, just click some tags, hit generate, and boom. Anna Moore appears in a cool city vibe, perfect for Instagram posts. Second one's more fun, say you want Anna to post about traveling. Just pick a travel photo, click generate, and she's there in that exact scene with her unique style. Third method is where you can really get creative. I've got a prompt. I put together something like an elegant figure in a chic black outfit standing confidently beside a sleek modern car with an urban background and soft lighting. Just drop that in, set the aspect ratio to 16:9, and boom, perfect for promoting anything online. The fourth method is one of my personal favorites, perfect for staying on trend. Let's say you come across a popular influencer whose content is performing really well. You can simply grab their profile link and drop it into the tool. From there, just pick one of their top performing posts as your reference. Click generate, and just like that, your model, like Anna Moore, will appear in a similar pose with a matching background and overall style. Step 4. Generate video. First, we'll go to the video selection section. Here, you'll start by describing the motion, for example, how you want your virtual influencer to move or what action they should perform. Next, choose the video duration based on how long you want the clip to be. Then, select your model, the AI influencer you've trained or created. Once everything is set, just click generate and wow! Within seconds, your custom video will be ready. Step 5. Final result and monetization tip. Your virtual influencer is now fully created and ready to shine, perfect for posting on Instagram. As you can see, we've maintained perfect character consistency. The face stays the same in every generation, but the outfits and environments change completely. This gives you full creative freedom to explore different styles and concepts. Let's be honest, a lot of people are wasting time and money on AI tools that just don't deliver the results they're hoping for. Meanwhile, virtual influencers like Aitana Lopez are earning impressive income on platforms like Instagram. But it's not just about making money, it's about creating high-quality, consistent content. With the SwapFans Pro plan, you can train multiple characters. Click the link in the description to try SwapFans for yourself. So yeah, if you have any questions or need help, feel free to drop a comment below. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new and useful. Best of luck with your creations, and I'll see you in the next one.